Alright, today I got the 52-piece impact socket set. It says build a set, but that's what it's listed on the Sears site. 52-piece impact socket set, half-inch drive. This is how it comes here. It has two plastic covers for each set. Metric, and your standard. Take these off, and they're in these trays, which are flimsy plastic. See if you can get that there. Yeah, 1 1/16 is the biggest. And they got 3/8 for the lowest. Your extension bars. And your joint extension. Now laser etched in there. Nice and greasy too. There's your metric from 12 millimeters up to 27 millimeters. So those are your deep sockets. And then over here you have your standard size sockets. 27 millimeter. Which is pretty damn big. But if you work in a shop, you know you use every single one of these damn things. Yeah, that's the 52-piece socket set. Well worth the money. I only paid $85 for mine because they got it. Well, they had some pricing problem or something. They put $119 on it. I used my Shop Your Way rewards points, and I got it down to 85 bucks. Right now it's for $162 online, Sears.com or Shop Your Way. So that's the set. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And I'll try to answer them as best as I can. And like I said, these trays are really thin, breakable plastic. Like, really thin. I like the same thing these are made out of. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.